Thanks to Anker for sponsoring this video.
Two of Anker's most powerful portable power stations are seeing huge price cuts for Prime Day. And if you've been thinking about backup power for your home or your next trip, now is a great time to pick one up. The Anker SOLIX F3800 here is a serious whole home backup solution, and it drops from $4,799 to just $2,699. The more compact Anker SOLIX C1000 is also on sale from $799 down to $449. That one is exclusively available on Amazon. Let's start with the F3800 Plus because this one is designed to keep your whole home running when the power goes out. Whether it's extreme weather, grid instability, or planned outages, this system is built to handle it all. With 3,840 watt-hours of battery capacity and a powerful 6,000 watt output, the F3800 Plus can keep essential appliances like refrigerators, lights, Wi-Fi routers, and even some HVAC systems running at the same time. That kind of output makes a big difference when you're trying to maintain comfort and safety during an outage. It also supports up to 3,200 watts of solar input. So if you're looking to stay powered independently or extend your backup window, that kind of rapid solar charging makes a real impact, especially in longer emergencies. And it doesn't stop there. The F3800 Plus is also compatible with any 240 volt gas generator, giving you up to 6,000 watts of pass-through charging. That means you can connect the generator to keep the battery topped up while continuing to power your home. It's a smart option for those who want extended coverage without investing in a full-on generator system. Whether you're planning ahead or dealing with unpredictable outages, this is a powerful, flexible backup solution. At $2,100 off for Prime Day, it's one of the best values that we've seen in this category. Now, if you're looking for something more portable, Anker SOLIX C1000 is also part of the Prime Day sale. It offers 1,056 watt-hours of capacity and an 1,800 watt output, which is great for outdoor activities, road trips, or as a smaller scale emergency backup. It also features hyper-flash charging, which gets it to 100% in under an hour. It supports rapid solar charging as well, reaching a full charge in just 1.8 hours with the right panel setup. It's compact, versatile, and perfect for keeping small appliances, phones, laptops, or even a mini fridge running when you need it most. And at a Prime Day price of just $449, it's a pretty solid deal. Whether you're looking for full home protection during outages or a portable solution for camping, travel, or light emergency use, Anker has you covered with these two excellent options. The F3800 Plus is built for those who want peace of mind at home. It can handle your core appliances during blackouts, works with solar or generator input, and gives you flexibility whether you're off-grid by choice or by circumstance. And on the other hand, the C1000 is a great fit for everyday needs. It's compact, fast charging, and ready to power everything from your devices to small appliances on the go. And right now, both are available at some of the lowest prices that we've seen all year, thanks to these limited time Prime Day deals. If either of these fit your needs, or even if you're still deciding, we've included links below with more details. Be sure to check those out and take advantage of the discounts while they last.